Hello guys, T3 Toxic here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of this activate Windows sign right here. Let me just open this up so you can see it a bit better. But before we get into the video guys, I'd just like to say, if I do help you out and I do fix it, please consider subscribing to my channel and dropping a like, as that would make me really happy. But guys, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so for the first step, you're going to want to go to your search bar and search up restore points. This should come up, just click on that. Then you're going to want to click on your hard drive or your drive with your Windows located on. As you can see, mine says system over here, which is on my SSD, so I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to click configure. And as you can see, I've already got it set to 5%. I recommend you setting it to 5% just to be 100% safe. As you can see, my 5% is 11 gigabytes and it's only using 1.74, but let's just make sure it's safe. Once you set it to 5%, you just click OK, and then you want to click create. Once this window is popped up, all you want to do is just type in today's date or anything you'll remember, but I prefer the date. Today is the 22nd of October 2020. Then you click create over here. It shouldn't take that long, but if you guys don't already know what a restore point is, let me tell you about it. A restore point is basically saving all your Windows settings and all your normal settings, so if anything bad happens, it can just revert back to normal. As you can see, mine's finished, so I'm just going to click close. And I'm just going to close out of here. Wait, hold on guys, let me just say something. If anything does happen to your computer, all you want to do is click System Restore. This should pop up. Click Next. Then, as you can see, I'd click this one because I have the date here. And then you click on it, and then you click Next. And you'll just follow the rest of the tutorial. But I don't want to reset my computer, so I'm just going to close out of this. Okay guys, so once you've created your restore points, you're going to want to press your Windows key and R at the same time. Or you can hold them down at the same time. Then you want to type REGEDIT. Once you've typed this in here, you just want to click OK. And then click allow to whatever pops up onto your screen. Then you should be brought to this screen right here. The first thing you want to do here is press this down arrow right here on H key local machine. Then you're going to want to click System, Current Control Set. Then you want to click on Services. Okay guys, so this big file should open up, but don't worry, all you want to do is scroll down until you find a file called svc. This is in alphabetical order, so it should be pretty easy to find. As you can see, it's right over here, svc. Once you've clicked on that, you're going to want to double click on this button here, Start. Then it should open up like this. It should say 3 over here. And all you want to do is highlight it, then delete it, then you want to press 4. Once you've typed in 4 over there, you want to click OK. Just make sure that this directory is right here. Just so you're 100% sure you're on the right file. Don't click on this, don't click on this. svc. Now guys, once you've typed that in, all you want to do is close out of here. Once you have, you can just restart your PC. I'm not going to do that just because it will stop me from recording. But once you do restart your PC, this little activate Windows thing here should go away. But guys, that's not the end of the video. Well, that is a way to fix it. I am going to be showing you a quick little FPS boost that can make your PC perform better. This is a few simple things, but let's get right into it. Obviously, first up, go into your search bar and type %temp%. Click on this file here and select all these files. As you can see, I've got quite a lot, but I don't need to worry one single bit. Because let me explain to you what this temp is. %temp% is very simple. All it is the temporary files that your applications have been using. They're temporary. They don't need it anymore. Let's just say I create a Photoshop thumbnail. It's going to save every little piece of data and then throw it into the temp file. But I don't need that data anymore because I've already made the thumbnail. You'll just throw it in here and just clog up the space and make your PC slower. So all you want to do is just come over here, highlight everything, and then press the delete button on your keyboard, or right click it and delete it. Then it's going to delete like this. As you can see, I have 8,410 files from temp. But as you can see, this file is still in use. But the thing is that since it is still in use, it has told me that the application still wants it. So you don't need to worry about anything, because if the application is cool with letting it be deleted, it won't say anything. Then you're just going to click skip on all the items. As you can see, it keeps on opening, so I'm just going to do this for all current items because you see there's quite a lot. And I'm going to click skip. As you can see, I've cleaned up my temp files and it's all good. Okay guys, for this next little FPS boost, you want to go down into your search bar and type in disk cleanup. Just click on that and click on the hard drive where you want to clean. I'm going to click my SSD, so I'm going to click OK. And then this right here should pop up. But what you guys want to select is you want to scroll down until you see recycling bin and temporary files. As you can see, it also has thumbnails, so I don't need to worry about that. As you're going to see, I'm going to gain half a gigabyte of space. That is quite a bit, but not how much you would probably get. When I first did this, I gained 15 gigabytes of space. And as you know, that's pretty useful. All you want to do is just click OK once you've selected everything, then delete files. As you can see, it's running this disk cleanup, and it should just finish. And as you can see, it's automatically closed for when it finished. And now I just saved myself quite some storage. Okay guys, so that's it for the video. I hope I helped you out, and if I did, please drop a like on the video. And if you really do like my channel, just consider subscribing, as that will make me really, really happy. But guys, if you have actually made it to the end of the video, I'll just like to say thank you so much, as that really helps me a lot. And if you really want to, you can type a watermelon emoji and I will heart your comment, as I know you've watched till the end of the video. But guys, without further ado, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.